Hey guys, and today we will be doing a thing. So just update it a little bit. I'm gonna make upgrade so to show it, and it should look like this. Okay. Then and duplicate this and only duplicate this and then put it in if then. Just do this. Do make a new message and do SEB. And when I put in the shop when I receive SEB, switch question to question one. Okay, so the shop. Alright, these man.
Alright, this is gonna be the new thumbnail of Survival. This makes me an idiot. Alright, yeah, this is what's gonna bring Survival Albert back to the mainstream. I like this one. He's concerned. There's a lot going on there. 5 minute wait? What I'm making here is important. Alright, one more guy crying watching a robot kiss on a man. I didn't specify what country they meet. So it's kind of odd that they chose this too. And that kind of looks like Cletus a little bit. Alright, so one thing on my name, I'm actually, I don't get it. Alright, I've lost all of my remaining players. I don't understand. I thought you guys would like this. Anyway, speaking of AI failing, we got Level Top and still at it. He has like 3 trillion more subscribers like me, but something like this is happening. He's completely switched the channel from using his own like this to just an AI version of his own like this, because he was too playing block the toilet, so he has AI like I skip a toilet water. His AI isn't really getting better. It's about it still sucks. You don't need AI to do this. You can just watch the video. It'll take you 9 minutes. It'll super far. Well, he's trying to convince everyone that this is actually, this channel's actually doing really, really good now that he started doing AI, but, if I'm on shorts, these kind of don't really count. Like, it's still long on any last bit of fans you make. Epic Minecraft animation. Don't keep them viral. I'm not sure what he means by it. Yeah, everything spawned. AI is beautiful. Alright, now let's have AI kill this thing. One, being attacked. That's not the YouTuber Robocop. Well, I wish there was no filter so I could prove it more apart. The only reason I'm so hard on this guy is that he's trying to turn his friend into AI against his, without his consent, and trying to, continue this channel he stole from his friend. It's a long story. I made a video on it a while ago. But he's always been a weird, how I built an AI that will change YouTube forever. Now I don't have to watch cake for me. I can have a robot watch it for me. Yes, it's cake, definitely. Alright, yes, it's cake. Alright, guys, I'm also happy to announce that unlike Robocop, I am a success. I have 4 players on Survive Albert now. It was a culture shock they had to realize how much they needed this in their lives. I would like to end there to end out anything that I said about Bubble Frog because he's right. I think it's popular enough to have AI doing this because I don't think AI knows.
And so this so if shop open is equal to yes, we want it to show. If it no, not. If it not, it's screenshot to no.
Hey guys,
No. No.
players who
Uh,
are like answering my that's I really like it. I really like it. And I think that's something that I'm gonna make this a thumbnail of the video.
Oh yeah, also, one more thing. This is called 11, by the way. Imagination. My vision, imagination. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. I'm a baby girl. Anyway, hey, don't worry. I got something to explain. What did you do? And then, before you, I don't know. Sweet fields. That's pretty much. Yes, people are asking me, will you make, more upgrades? Well, probably in the next part, but yeah, since we already finished everything, yeah, only it says 6 minutes and 55 seconds. Means we can have a 5-minute Q&A if you want. Actually, like a minute Q&A. Like maybe someone will ask me. Hey, in this, maybe I'll enable comments and you guys can ask me, are you gonna make more upgrades? Like, are you gonna? Am I actually? Probably in the part after or the part after that. Because this is part 11, maybe part 12, maybe part 13. Because yeah, probably they'll be dropped by Thursday, hopefully. Actually, not Thursday, Wednesday, because on Thursday I have swimming lessons. So yeah, bye. Bye, and thanks for the Q&A. So, hope you guys have a fun day. That was a very short part, wasn't it? Compared to our other parts. Very short. Yeah, no.